everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. Today we're making some geode coasters. So I got a new mold here. This is one of those round geode coasters that is divided into 4 pieces. So when you're done, we actually get 4 separate pieces. And the color scheme that we're going to be doing is purple and black. So I have these new T-Rex alcohol inks that I really liked, and I really love the black. So I wanted to do something with the black, and I thought I'll add a little bit of purple too. So today we're going to be using these 2 colors and also some foil. I have 2 sheets of this really shiny purple foil, so I thought that'd be really cool to put it into our coaster. Alright, let's get our mask on and some gloves and let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is mix some 2-part resin. I preheat my resin in a bath of warm water so that the resin is more fluid, and this way there should be less bubbles. Then we're going to separate out the resin into 3 different cups. On the first cup, we're going to add the foil. I'm just going to kind of put it in there and crush it up with my little popsicle stick. And the next 2, I'm just going to mix it with my alcohol ink. So purple for one and black for the next one. And let's pour. So I'm going to start with the foil first. I'm going to put a little bit of foil here in the middle. I'm going to try to make it even so that each piece has the same amount of foil in the middle. Then we're going to pour the black here on the outer edge of the mold. On the inside, we're going to pour the purple. And add a little bit more black. Here I'm alternating the colors and filling up the mold. With a heat gun, we're going to use it to pop the bubbles and also mix the colors a bit. Alright everyone, and we are done. It's been a day and the resin is ready to be demolded. Oh my goodness, I'm really excited about this. So let's go ahead and take it out. Oh wow, just take a look at this. Oh my goodness. So we have our little foil pieces here, a bit of purple, and then just goes to black. Oh my goodness, this is super cool. So we have our first piece. Here is the second piece. Not too thick, which is nice. Here is the third piece. And here is the 4th piece, the last piece. So the 4 of them together looks like this, and here are the pieces separated. Next, to give it a finishing touch, we're going to gild the edges. So I am going to be using some gold paint. This is Treasure Gold, and I'm just going to paint the edges and give it a few coats. Alright everyone, and we are done. So I gilded the edges with some gold, so it looks really nice and finished now. So each of these pieces have the gold edges and they come together like this. And we can also separate them into individual coasters. Alright everyone, so this was a lot of fun to make. It's also really easy. What do you think of the color scheme? Do you like the purple and black look? Let me know down below in the comment section, and I'll see you next time. Bye!